Today's way of acquiring Torah is through Yishuv, translated as deliberation, or making a deliberate effort to analyze a question before replying. The Medrash Shmuel says in Machzor Vitri that this prevents a person from jumping to premature conclusions. Milei de Avos translates it as calmness or sedatedness or serenity. The most advantageous way to acquire Torah is through an atmosphere of calmness. Medrash Shmuel translates it as the only way to acquire Torah is when it is learned in a yeshiva, in an atmosphere of fervent intellectual learning. This is the only way for a person to achieve his full potential in learning. Only a settled mind working with steady caution can find the truth in matters of halacha. Irving Bunim in Ethics from Sinai quotes Rabbi Avraham Farazal that Yishuv means a settlement or a composure of the mind. When people are learning, both student and teacher must not answer hastily in confusion, but should have a settled mind while answering complex questions. In modern Hebrew, we translate Yishuv as settlement. A Torah scholar must be aware of the settlement or his community around him, both those aspects of the community which are settling, where people get together and are close, and those that are more unsettling, which are the problems that are unique to that community. Torah is not a pastime to be lived in an ivory tower. It is a heaven's guidance for human life. The student must know the yishuv of his people to apply his learning to its problems. In today's world, we literally wear distractions to our mind's composure. It is more difficult than ever to learn in an atmosphere of calmness where we are constantly being distracted by other people, phone calls, text messages, and constant demands on our time. Therefore, in today's world, when one wants to and desires to acquire Torah, it might be necessary to put ourselves in an environment where we have the serenity and calmness, where we're not distracted by others' demands on our intellectual capacities. During this time of Sphira, may we all merit to have the schus to accept the things we cannot change, the courage to change the things we can, and the wisdom to know the difference. Thank you.